Hello, electronics enthusiasts. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about a crucial resource for all electronic designers out there, component library. If you ever wonder where to find a comprehensive collection of most commonly used library, this video is for you. Having a thorough collection of standard component libraries, such as resistors, capacitors, inductors, and more, readily available in your library can significantly expedite your project design process rather than scavenging for random libraries, which often comes with inconsistent schematic and footprint models. Today, we will discuss a well-designed collection of libraries that provide all necessary models for professional product design. This library features models for simulations, schematic, footprint, and 3Ds that will ensure a seamless and efficient design process. And so, we are spotlighting the Würth Electronics Component Library. Würth Electronics is a prominent manufacturer of electronics and electromechanical components, offering a wide range of products, including passive components, power modules, digital isolated components, optoelectronics components, electromechanical components, automotive components, sensors and radio modules components. Known for their high reliability, Würth Electronics provides extensive support and resources for designers and engineers, including free access to their standard component libraries. This Würth Electronics library is a treasure trove, curated to include all necessary models for proper electronic design, from simulation model to schematic model, footprint model to 3D models. These models are based on real measured values, ensuring accuracy and reliability in your design. The libraries are compatible with major simulation tools such as LTspice, QSPICE, Spectre, S-Parameter, and PSpice, as well as EDA tools like Altium Designer, Allegro, KiCad, Castor, OrCAD, and Allegro. The 3D models are exceptionally designed to reflect the actual image of the component, thereby making product assembly easy. To get started, let's head over to the Würth Electronics website to explore this valuable resource at the Component Library section. Here you will find libraries of all their products for popular tools like Altium, Allegro, KiCad, Castor, OrCAD and Allegro, LTspice, QSPICE, PSpice, and more. All primed for your quick project design. And the best part, no registration is required. So, let's dive right in. Next, we spotlight Altium Designer, a robust tool for crafting advanced electronic design process from simulation to schematic, footprint to 3D design. Würth Electronics has really outdone themselves by creating two highly useful library versions for Altium Designer, the Integrated Library and the Database Library. Same apply to other CAD softwares. These libraries are packed with ready-to-use models and extensive data, eliminating the need to spend hours creating component models from scratch or dealing with inconsistent schematic and footprint models. By cloning the database versions of this library from their GitHub repository, you will always have up-to-date models at your fingertips by pulling the latest library update weekly. The most recent development is the availability of the KiCad Database Library and the QSPICE Simulation Library, which can now be cloned from the Würth Electronics GitHub repository. Dear electronics enthusiasts, welcome to the Würth Electronics Product Catalog webpage, where we will explore categories of various electronics components. The company has done an excellent job categorizing components according to its family and functionality, ranging from passive component to power modules, digital isolated component to optoelectronics component, electromechanical component to automotive components, sensors and radio modules components. Let us explore the passive component as an example. There you will see how they further subdivided into product groups, making the library an incredibly useful resource. For instance, in the EMC component section, the library is divided into subcategories, making it easy to navigate and find exactly what you need. Furthermore, let's delve into the surge protection library, Once again, you will notice how the library is subdivided into subgroups with the component family's electrical parameter clearly stated, allowing for proper component selection during circuit design, thereby minimizing the risk of errors. Looking through the TVS diode series, you can easily select the specific type of TVS needed for your project thanks to the detailed electrical parameters provided. You can easily download this library free of charge for your design softwares, whether it is Altium, Eagle, KiCad, Caster, OrCAD and Allegro, LTspice, PSpice, and more. Additionally, you can download the 3D model of this library. Let us explore the capacitors families, ranging from electrolytic to ceramic capacitor. Within the aluminum electrolytic capacitor section, you will see further subdivision into groups and subgroups, with the corresponding electrical parameter clearly stated, aiding in the selection of the right capacitors for your need. You also have access to the LTspice simulation model and can download the complete libraries for all series of aluminum electrolytic capacitors. In fact, there is no need of downloading the LTspice simulation model, for it was just being built into the new version of the LTspice library. Dear electronics enthusiasts, as you can see, Würth Elektronik's library are a treasure trove. Don't just take my word for it. Download these libraries and experience their values for yourself. I have found that the database versions of this library is particularly beneficial due to the extensive support it offers. Meanwhile, just as a warning, never ever trust any library blindly. Please kindly check for pin orientation, thermal pad, drill size, creepage and clearance before use. Please consider subscribe to my channel for more informative tutorials like this one. We will be utilizing the Würth Electronics component library in our simulation and the design of advanced power electronics project on this channel. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, happy designing.